First grade, today is packet 3, day 12, and we are reading the story Music in Your Ear. So it says, guitars make music. Here's how the music gets from the guitar to you. A person plucks a guitar string. That plucking makes the string vibrate. Something that vibrates moves back and forth very fast. Vibrations can make sound waves. The sound waves move through the air. They go into your ear. Inside your ear is something shaped like a tiny drum. It is called your eardrum. The eardrum helps you to hear. The waves from the guitar make your eardrum vibrate. When your eardrum vibrates, you hear the sound of the guitar. So what happens to the guitar string when you pluck it? Does it vibrate? Does it sing? Or does it break? Let's see here. Well, we know it doesn't sing because we sing. Guitars don't sing. And I guess it could break, but let's go back to the story and see. The plucking makes the string vibrate. Excellent. So that is choice A. Number 2. Where are the sound waves from the guitar before they go into your ear? Are they in your brain? Is your brain outside of your ear? No. In your eardrum? Is your eardrum outside of your ear? Nope. So where do the waves have to be? They have to be in the air. Excellent. Number 3. You hear sound when sound waves vibrate your eardrum. What part of the passage tells us that this is true? The sound waves move through the air, the eardrum helps you hear, or when your eardrum vibrates, you hear the sound of the guitar. Well, this isn't about hearing. It says you hear sound when sound waves vibrate your eardrum. This is true that the eardrum helps you to hear. But this is more specific. When your eardrum vibrates, you hear the sound of a guitar, which means that we could substitute the sound of the guitar for anything. It would be the same. When your eardrum vibrates, you hear the sound of the piano, or the sound of the flute, or the sound of the TV, right? So it could be anything. So I think the best choice for this one is going to be letter C. Number 4. What is music in your ear mostly about? So what's the main idea, right? What's the big idea around everything? The inside of your ear, how you hear music from the guitar, or how sound waves travel? Well, we do know partly about inside your ear, but is the whole story about the inside of your ear? No. And we do learn how sound waves travel, but is that what the whole story is about? No. The whole story is about how we hear music from the guitar. So how it gets from the guitar to our ear. It says, what part of the ear is shaped like a tiny drum? Let's go back to our story and look. Inside your ear, something shaped like a tiny drum. It is called your eardrum. So how are we going to put that into a sentence? We're going to say the tiny drum in my ear is called a eardrum. Good. And we're going to make sure again that we have that capital letter and the period at the end. So we need to say what we learned from music in your ear. What did we say in number 4? We learned how music from a guitar, how we hear. So, but let's generalize it. So it's not just about a guitar. We learned how sound, how we hear different sounds. Again, make sure you have capital letter and period at the end. And last one, explain how guitars make music. How do you play a guitar? Let's go back to our story and look. Someone plucks a guitar string. And it what? Makes the string vibrate. So let's put that into a sentence. It says, how do guitars make music? Guitars make music by a person plucking the string and the vibrations it makes. Good. I'm not going to do number 8 with you, but you're going to draw a picture of what your eardrum looks like. So you could look it up in a book or on the internet, or you could just use your imagination. What do you think it would look like inside of there? And here's our math for the day. It says how many of each shape are in the picture. So we're looking for circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many long rectangles? 1, 2. Excellent. So here we're looking at money again. We need to find the coin that equals 5 cents. So we're looking for a nickel. This is worth 25. This is worth 10. And this one is worth 5. So we're going to pick choice A. It's called a nickel. And this one we're looking for something that's 25 cents. So I wrote them over here. Which one is it going to be? C. Excellent. Now we're going to do our counting on. So we're going to start at 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. And oh, my mouse died, so I will just talk you through the rest of it, okay? So 6 plus 3 is 9. Number 6, 4 plus 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write a number 8 for number 6. Okay, number 7, okay, we are looking at the numbers that come before and after. So what's the number that comes after 30? So if we're counting 30, 30, the digit in the ones place, which is a 0, needs to go up by 1. So it would be 3, 1, so 31. And then the digit in the, let's see if I can get through this. So the digit in the ones place has to go up by 1, so this would be 30, 1. Now let's count down. 31, 30, 29. Okay, for the next one, if we're counting up, the digit in the ones place has to go up by 1, 43. And then if we're counting down, the digit in the ones place has to go down by 1, 41. Okay, so we're counting in groups of 10. So each foot has 5 toes, which means 2 feet equals 10. So there's a group of 10, here's a group of 10, and here's a group of 10. So we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So let's write that. 10, 20, and 30. And the last one, here's one group of 10, so 2 feet, 2 feet, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Good, so we're going to write that right here. 20, 30, and, oops, 40. Excellent. That's our lesson for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I miss you so much. Bye!